Hi guys, so today we're going to different viewpoints on Koh Tao. So this is from the first viewpoint, not even properly the first viewpoint yet, there's still some steps up, but the beach today is very clear, very nice, very beautiful. Suwan viewpoint, 360 degrees. So this place is on the way to Suwan viewpoint, which is the most popular viewpoint on Koh Tao. Also to the Freedom Beach and Tanote Beach. However, this costs 50 baht per person to enter. Almost there. It's quite narrow and a little steep. Okay, I am vertically challenged. Oh my gosh, it's very beautiful. The water is very clear. Wow. And here we are finally at Suwan viewpoint. Wow, it was a struggle. I made it. Ooh. Ooh, made it here. It's awesome. The breeze is nice. Challenged I am. This rock that I have to step onto is literally my chest level. So, new tattoo from climbing up Suwan viewpoint. No, 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 no. With the rope. So to Leuk you have to pay 100 baht for the ticket, and it includes one soft drink, sun chair, an umbrella, toilet and Wi-Fi. That's the beach. It's really clear and clean, really quiet, private, but not sure if worth it or not. There are no restaurants whatsoever. So that's it. Today I'm here to have lunch near Leuk, and the weather is so nice today. It's really hot though. It's really hard to climb any viewpoints. It's super hot, but the view is so worth it. The water is super clear. You can see there. And right now I'm just chilling at a restaurant with yeah, food and drinks. Yeah, I'm super thirsty right now. I've been hiking in this heat. It's really hard, but yeah, I'm gonna reward myself now. This is the way up to Tanote viewpoint. Oh, it's pretty dense here. Oh, but nice and cool. Not in the hot scorching sun. Right now I'm actually all alone. I was ditched. Oh well. So this is like a mini canyon I have to pass through. So I guess this is just like a little checkpoint because there's a lot of space, and I think there's some more to go there. Plus there's no view from here, not really any proper views. So yeah, it's actually pretty exhausting. Maybe I'm just unfit, but the second half, I hope it's half, like it was pretty flat, not that bad, and a lot of shadows. So yeah, but today is so hot, like the sky is so blue and the sun's shining through the tree and the clouds. So gotta keep going. I really want to see the view from Tanote Peak, so gotta keep hanging on in there and keep going. จุดชมวิวตาโนดอยู่ไหนคะ
จุดชมวิวตันโดต้องเดินไปมาคนเดียวเหรอ
ค่ะ
ต้องไปบนสุดยอดหนู
ทางนี้หรือเปล่าคะ
ทางนี้แต่ว่าไปต้องมีเพื่อนไปคนเดียวมืด
มืด
ไปพอยก็น่าจะดีกว่า
อะไรนะคะไป
ดีพอยน่าจะดีกว่าดีพอย
ใช่จะไปวิวพอยต์
ดีพอยอยู่ตรงนี้เดินประมาณสัก5 นาที10 นาทีน่าจะเป็น
ค่ะ5 นาที10 นาทีเข้าไปทางนี้เลยนะคะ
ตรงไปเลย
ตรงนี้ไปเลยนะ
ตรงไปแล้วก็มีดูหินที่ก้อนใหญ่2 ก้อนนั้น
ค่ะ
นั่นในรูป5 นาทีก็เดินในรูปเลยไปข้ามดูหินจะไป
ค่ะ
อันนู้นไม่ต้องไปคนเดียวมันไกล
อ๋อค่ะโอเค
อันนี้ต้องไปกับเพื่อน
ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
ไปทางนี้นะไปดูกันไปดูนะรูปที่ขึ้นมานี่ก็ไปขึ้นมาดูนะ
ค่ะ
อันนี้จะดีกว่า
ต้องถอดรองเท้าใช่ไหมคะ
ต้องไปนะ
ลาขอบคุณค่ะโอ้สวย
มันจะดูได้นั่งได้มีน้ำอะไรกิน
Yeah, this is already pretty high up with a nice view. Wow. Sun's almost setting. It's a really pretty path full of yellow flowers. This is a Suwan viewpoint. Well, this is a very nice private spot. Wow. For a viewpoint. Woohoo. Whew. Yep, I'm here all alone. Yay! This is the Tanote viewpoint. I thought I wouldn't make it here, but thankfully I met someone who's been here, and yeah, I managed my way, didn't get lost, but I have to go back on my own, so I have to quickly go back before it gets dark, because it's quite a way back and it's pitch black if I don't go back on time. Yeah, and also the view is pretty clear today. You can see Koh Tao all the way there, so it's a very nice day. A little nice rock formation. The sun is perfectly sitting behind that hill. So this is another viewpoint. This is Mango viewpoint, and yep, roads are really in horrible conditions, really difficult to get here, and it costs 50 baht per person, sometimes 100, I don't know, it depends. Yeah, so it's another place you can have a drink or something. There's a bar there.